person wey come up for any play wey come up with that scope matter wey bring am for inside this struggle na very bad idea. I mean, like more look for the number one aspect after Milan. They be talking say na Milan don't say IG. Na he plan. He don't say them for La Republique. All man join stand support against. So I mean, almost everybody, almost all Amazonian, the majority of them, they be stand for Milan back. I be the number one person who stand for Milan back. But fair enough, I be give an open room for say if, but what if at the end of the day Milan be guilty? And of course, me I not want to talk. I know if he talk me anything way. I don't feel like that, like for just draw hasty conclusion about Milan, because according to studies or my field of studies, I'll be very sorry. You give everybody room, that room for prove itself, and so make everybody express itself for the way it fits until you find somebody guilty. No man not be guilty. So, but we don't look am. Me, I be 100% sure. I'm saying 95% sure. I'll call and today say Milan they guilty. Milan they guilty of the fact say true what people they talk say Milan na he say IG. Me I go clap hands so talk say yeah Milan say IG. Milan know they are waiting happen. Milan be part of it. I go talk at me with them say we all confidence. For the first thing I say we are interim president Julius Tabe interim president Siseko. I mean, like, he be take Milan very, very close to his heart. I mean, say Milan be there for him like own Pekin. No man no be fit deny that one. No man no fit dispute the fact that man he no be fit bring Milan close. He trust Milan with all his heart, all confidence. Not do that man be fit do where he not do where he not fit. Not only fit tell that man way about Milan for fit deny because he trust Milan to the fullest. Where it means say a relationship with Milan and Nalova, if then le papa and Pekin, father to son relationship, father to daughter relationship. No man, no Amazon don't fit deny that fact. Okay, fine. More John assume now say they so the wrong as the cash they can't abduct them now for the hotel where they abduct them. More give Milan a benefit of that now say okay Milan no nothing. So as speaking now, when will happen for the past? When don't ever happen with this struggle and stability, they don't ever done the protest. They don't ever done the fight for the release of all the leaders. Them when they be cash Bala, yeah, all man be fight. Oh, release Bala. Oh, release Fontaine. Oh, release Dr. Diman. All man fight for that one. Even person will not be even like the fact say Milan. I mean, even like the fact say Bala or this. Even person not be even know Bala. Just the fact say say Bala be the fight for that Amazonian struggle, or Dr. Fontaine they be fight for, or Papa Ayapo be the fight for that struggle. Any man be joined behind them they release that Papa. Okay, today it don't happen now say na Milan na be the interim president he right hand man like Pekin. Ma say mo call say Milan i Papa. So you Milan, your Papa they don't cash your Papa. They carry go for play. They don't carry go. I say the worst way Milan for fit do now was say Milan spearhead. May Milan stand for front line. In fact, even wear placard for his head. Now Milan begin for the cry every day about for say may they release Julius Tabe. Now Milan begin for this fire every day say they so may they release the Seko place where they may they release it. May we try for put pressure for say may they release the man. Now so an innocent person they behave. Now so person where he like for the person where he don't ever stand beside you. I mean that love, that conscience, me that conscience. Me say me Milan struggle. So they may were integral president come out. When he come out, then they may the integral president stand there today. So Milan in hand they clear. But unfortunately, the only thing where Milan be fit do, or the best way Milan fit do, now go say me Milan go create scoop on a scope, whatever. Now the best thing that Milan be fit do, where it means that does this gesture of Milan, this particular idea within Milan where it formed the scoop on a scope, now go scoop now on herself for God's sake. Twa, not the. So for that sake, Milan go create this group. So it means say it just reveal Milan a hidden agenda. If I'm saying he exposed the truth behind Milan, he exposed the real truth behind Milan. This all the crocodile tears it can't sit down with the crocodile tears the talk. He means all that I want Milan the carry and so the man became was this woman the can't for day with the tears for day in the talk for day so say it nonsense, you know do this. It means all a lie. For God's sake, it means say Milan na lie. Milan na Judas Iscariot. Number one sake. Because for this, how many months ago? Now just 6 months ago, tell how your papa. More consider and say this. Now that way, Jesus go die now. So more consider that way he don't die. Your papa just died. Now time we get for money your papa. You get for money your papa. You get for fear head for find out where to kill your papa. More assume that that way he don't die. More assume that that way he die. You get for find. You go be worried for no way to kill your papa. No be so. You go be worried for say may you revenge your papa he die. No be so. So in the notion I said Milan began for stand as for spearheads. For some they release Julius Tabe. For some they bring back our leader. For some they bring back Julius our leader. May can't continue for play every day. But Milan not do so. Milan not do so. Now because say Milan as he get a neck. Milan get neck so for power. That way British man call and say power monger. Now just so way Milan then all Milan is trouble with that. So that's why you don't feel height. You know, say no matter how you try for pretend, no matter how you pretend, no matter how you try for hide their agenda, it must show. No matter how long you try for hide them, you know, I mean, it not take long. It not take long. Now just 6 months or how many months ago when it happened, Milan just explode with his scoop. I mean, it not be right. It not be fair. Any person, any straight thinking person get for understand at this point now say Milan not mean well for Ambazonia. Milan not mean well for Southern Cameroon and the all. Milan not mean well for the way struggle. So Milan na the Judah, na the Moses, na another form of Moses because it means Milan for Milan as long as they telling us okay, park one side, stay out. Maybe you carry out your investigation. Until then, no be part, you don't get any role for play any activity. Just stay put. May they investigate you until when they finish with the investigation, Milan. Then they go feel know where depending on the outcome of the investigation. Now then they go know where you go be placed where you belong to. Where it be normal, it be very right and straight and forward. The interim president not be left with any truth and with any choice than for go put this straight that way where they put that straight that way. Okay, what's in Milan do? They set up commission for investigate where it don't happen. May at least give your own opinion. Tell me where it be wrong. Give your own opinion. May we see. Tell me where you know about the whole thing. May we know where they go on. You be Milan deny. It be baby grandma where British man. That baby grandma where British man they use and talk. Where me say it also say he want to know what to go do with the result. The result one not find out the result. Now want to know what to do with the result before he go talk with way he know. Every job you go everywhere they talk away. He get idea. He know point. He get points them. I say when I wait. Will not be fool so. The way they follow Milan for back now like sheep or it don't show. It's only the one that they come for inside IG. The one that they come for Instagram where they come where they belong to that cabinet. So now shame and disgrace for all of una. I don't know me una name them. I don't know me una name them or I don't even need for know una name them. What's it be important? I say people they die back home. People they be stranded inside bush. They kill people anyhow like fly every day back home. So that won't be important for my head for now. So what I mean, I said I don't care for no me when I name them. But what I be out for tell una, whether you big le wait le war house, whether you smoke le waiting, whether you say be professor, whether you say you be doctor, whether you say be whatsoever. The fact say you join Milan for inside this stupid act, this treacherous act, this wicked act. Without even bringing it to order, you follow it behind, you go for ahead. It means that you to be part of the plan, you to be part and parcel of the show. Why did they call the other one as 70? I don't die. God punish Satan. How they call this other one in name? Now Milton, it will follow Milan. He enter like the cow. It means say, oh, I just wonder. I don't tell me. So now plan for South Africans them. I mean, say na crew for South Africa. The cost one say na pa nyango na pa wait till they call Papa. I beg you for God's sake, no. Wait till you worry una. Confusion every day. All the time we person feel say we don't arrive for that point where we don't unite. Well, don't stand as one like Ambazonia. They will not understand, say, whether Arao or Agata or Red Dragon, so whatsoever, anyone, if we come together and for the good for Ambazonia. We don't pass that era where we could argue among ourselves, confusion, division every day. Only for say, thank God for say, we don't reach for stationary way. So now unity, now head to head, now forward, now one people, now one Ambazonia, now one ground zero. Milan, you just come out with your scoop. Milan, what do you want to show me? What do you want to show me now? Now say we Ambazonia, and I say some of you they overdoor, or they say they curse me for my side way, we know the reason. Especially the mature ones, them know the reason. Now excuse me. Now say we know the reason on our way to again it happen. Well, now the same Milan they go astray. No be same Milan they go astray because na a plan, na premeditated act. Now a premeditated plan of action will be carried out one step after the other. Just because of say it be out for fight power. Just because say Milan they out for say it one be me power be inside hand, as them say pack one side corner. You not get for carry any activity now. You not get for carry for do anything for get anything to do with IG for the moment until we clear the doubt, until we know what to go on. You vex, you go open your own group. You say you go open your own group now waiting na village head on a country head on a thunder fire you and their village head Milan. May the blood of that people they don't die when they die for homeland every day. May they fire you. May they hover around your head. May they forgive your home and your picking them because they innocent. May they fall all on you and your crew. Una wicked, una too wicked. And now we would I'm saying the people the way they follow the other manga on a pangang or anything gang, whatever they call you, mommy. Shame ya, mommy. Shame for you. You woman where you born picking, mommy, you open your skin, you born picking. You don't reach for time where all manga will stand together, like one. May they fight for homeland. For protect homeland, protect for the day down for down there, mommy. May they say everything they go work out for the better. Your only way if you do, now for conspire with Miram, now begin chakara. Abu ya ona for chakara, ya Abu chakara. Abu chakara less mangam. I don't know me you and I no one know me you. But na bad thing, mommy. Na bad thing where you and Milan at the do one. Down na group, then na bad thing at the do one. When they walk up and down. Even the time when a day, una get see and say, don't say and say, time this way. They keep people every day, mommy. Every day as they talk, so they keep people. Like a fly, mommy. When they only find the way una go stand for front, carry power for inside on a hand. If as long as you know the rule, you know the control, they will not the day. As long as you know the on a hand, they will not the day. Now excuse me, I beg. So the thing way then I say, they say. Man we follow Chris man run inside market. Na that man na foolish pass. Na door pass. Na stupid pass. Na useless pass. Even that Chris man then a naked. So you to work and follow him naked. Na you stupid pass. What it means it means that me and you. We would follow Milan. We follow Milan and the rest for that thing that they do. Support them. The worst of all, I said the one we shock me that the way they inside IG, that administration, no, they inside there, the worst one, and the way now them say the Judas Iscariot them number one, the traitors and number one, not them. Because if me and you will get conscience, if me and you they sleep every day, these images they will see on our phone, the amount of the number of people they kill them, the bloodshed, the way they go on for inside Southern Cameroon every day, if we see them, if we get conscious, if we be conscious of the fact that they so, we truly, if they fight for the Ambazonia, now for homeland, now for some will restate to our state for Southern Cameroon, for some will regain our freedom back again, for some will carry and go for making they be okay as they be okay. Then you don't go tell me say you go bloody follow Milan for a back, you go follow Milan for a back, for some you support Milan for what they do. The one too, if you carry a black face like my own for here. Small boy like you too, I don't want to call your name. You so small brother. Small boy like you don't go jump every day. You don't come. Let me say, carry a black face like my own for here. Go jump. You don't go. They support Milan. You take. You can't compare IG with the scoop every day for your page. You compare the thing they send. I don't know na competition when I deal with Milan. It deal with na. Ma, as what to be a problem? Now say because they not give you IG, they not give you posting that interim government. Now where you don't vex. You go join Milan team every day. You don't for right against you dey for right against IG. You get for right against other groups. Them they don't talk so waiting. What to be your problem? They say now use them for today be the future leader tomorrow. That corrupt generation they corrupt or papa them. They don't be full and corrupt. Corruption is sting for their skin. They do stupid with Milan. You too small kid, you go put yourself inside. Young girl, you too. I no one call your name. I no one call me your name. They're my own sister. You go carry skin to the enter for inside. You the salmon quay with them. Now power the worry una. Wait till the worry una. Wait till the worry una. Now wait till the really worry una. I'm gonna tell you what we hear. Now unity, they don't fight. All man don't fight. All the front leaders them. They don't put sabotage. When they put sabotage for them, they don't put sabotage for them. Make any man the reason. If the people for ground zero, they feel stand together, they one. Fight in the name of Amazonia. Those people, they go risk their life, share their blood. They go risk their life every day, stand for front, carry gun for defend homeland. If they don't decide, they don't stand as one. Even when you hear them, they talk as one. They tell you, say they so all them now one. All them for ground zero now one for defend homeland. They don't understand say unity. Now the only solution we need them for we are probably for carry ourselves forward. For rich boya. Wait till una own. When you, me and you, they sleep for your bet. You they sleep for your bet. Woke up anyhow. Take your phone anyhow. That they bring confusion. You go behind your keyboard. Now the type provocative comment them every now and then. For the compare your interim government with the scoop. Look up, petit frère. May that people they die for down there so other people for down there so may it ring bell for your head. I make some of una find place una shidong, una stand together as one, stand with the interim government una work, or una stand with any other group that don't exist since. Whatsoever una do, when I do una own contribution them, more una find place shidong. Then the mommy the one let me say the thing don't pass me, do mommy them for today, or do we younger them for today when I still more does them, it don't pass me. Because they say work for woman, run for woman, and for bring something together. Now for put them together, now for she don't fix them. But do all mommy them for today, do all younger them for today. Now for scatter them. Now for bring now who they bring the confusion, and all the chakra the whole thing. You know fine. You know fine. When una she don't, when next una she don't in down a group, down and dongamene group. I can't send dongamene group because I not see what they do for sudden come on. Okay, what una want do now they never do them before. What una want do now they never do them before for this group. For this inside this struggle, what on one they never do them before. Now there we so on a village head on a quarter head on all that thing na only power monger. Now hungry for power, now they worry me, una. One the only one salmon kwe, one the only show on a safe. One the only one make a make nothing on a day. Anything where as now what there's something on a day as now they say the IG, it don't too small. It don't small way. They not on own position, you know they were show. So any player they just call and I say, come, I'll give this post. Can't join me. Now don't run go, the wind vein. Now don't run go. As he blow this side, now don't run go. The wind blow this side, now don't run go. Una no fit stand behind the IG for stand for the people of Southern Cameroon, for stand for the truth. Una pack one side. No, una pack one side, una come on, una surrender, una post, una wash una hand. Come on, leave the IG. Una go join the scoop. Una go join the scoop. Bible don't say you know if you belong for two places. As they don't talk and before my still put them again on either you belong with the IG or you belong to the scoop. Una begin scoop una self. Una begin scoop una self. Turn the fire una scoop. Una begin scoop una self. You know if you pretend say you there for IG, you go again the same time again you there for scoop. That one a big that one a fat lie. You don't work at all. The two not go at all. Then you are more than a traitor. Now say traitor say better pass you. I don't even know me the kind of English word I go use them again. Yes, traitor better pass you. Now you want confuse. Now you want be traitor. Now you want be black leg. Now you want be backbiter. Now you want be spy. Yes, you go the spy now for IG. Go to talk now for scoop. When Mr. any small information where you know about scoop, you carry about IG. You go leak for scoop because you want strength your position for scoop. You want make it stand. Someone achieve when goes them for the scoop. And a witchcraft. Now we Basam man call them say a wusu. Una go for pack where? Una go pack where? If me, I be that AIP, that active interim president, me, I go dismiss una. I go dismiss una with shame and disgrace. I go gonna sack letter overnight. They will give una, may they give una 20 or 48 hours. Una decide where una belong to. If una belong to the IG, una stand where behind the IG. Una stand for the people. The IG is for the people. If una want stand for una people, una stand behind una people. If una want go stand for scoop, una go stand for scoop. Una stand tall. Una make a difference. May una not come because confused. Today you there here, tomorrow you there here. Na very very bad thing. I'm sorry. I even doubt how that AIP Dr. Sako say how the couple tonight. Because if not me, Me, Mbale, that very moment when I know say you, as you dey here, so you belong to that other place, I dey sack you. I dey pack you one side. One side. You know if you serve God, serve devil, because scoop na devil when it comes to this revolution. You know mean where for this, you know mean where for this we are struggle, you know mean where at all. So now me I will tell me as the devil. Either you serve the devil or you serve God. You know if you serve devil, you serve God. All the belong here, belong there. Now lie, fat lies. Enough you walk. Enough you walk. Enough you walk. Now me I tell you. I don't want when I no man no come for my inbox so man no come to my box say he can't call me say this Marco I don't trust I no one call person in the name I don't know call him but the decision one I man no try say he can't call me so do na scoop with the malong with them me man no can't try him me no man no try him me a conscience I want to me una use una open una conscience una search una conscience one after the other one after the other una search una consciences una search una conscience one after the other una ask una self say act una dey do am e pass stretch you British man say treason I don't try for put all them together but see the one way you go work. Now which one you go work for me for one user you know the go one not the go now all black leg treachery treason spy everything traitor all na una be I'm gonna tell una you know carry una go nowhere. Tomorrow again if Milan see another group of people they will give Milan another huge sum of money Milan go sell una na me tell una Milan go sell una le ground beef le how man stand for roadside saying ground beef say better una go be the njanga for Milan in height wait I don't come for sell am Milan go exchange una still take money again Milan na 419 for this struggle I beg una o Milan and the crew when I meet on a Hilton o na 419 them all on a pa on a mami ngango na 419 they all on a papa on a mami anyangwe na 419 they all 419 in the sense say una no one ministry will go forward when one ministry will go forward una go stand together like one support the IG indirectly even as they don't cast una out as they cast una out like way prophetic just the cast demon out the people that skin come out even I'm not so still get interest for this southern Cameroon when I get interest for somebody our country in middle nation it go forward more achieve we are dream me that boy it be we are own all una go still from a distance if they don't sack una from distance una go collaborate with the AIP una go give vital informations una go bring the truth out of where play where it dey where you know say it belong where it mean say if you help me for bring out we are leader them where if you help me for know where we are leader they belong where if you help for tell me what happen we are leader them una go help me for bring that information out una no go tell me say this so na one time information una want keep am and Milan thunder fire you Milan thunder fire you mommy they die for bush they go because they die they so far oh you know you just don't do your own form your own group you want go to show chess bonbon chess you go show bonbon chess we are on crew them you two don't Milan to they do tour so now that thing be hungry you as a papa Julius Tabe they go around they talk to you people they do things I'm say be they hungry you I'm say be they look so I'm say what's that Doromega we put a picture where you be spy Julius Tabe so Doro say na evil day inside your heart and see Milan for this Milan the plan evil I be vex no Doro I said Doro not all the kind talk so na lie Milan they be not true. You know, say the thing don't you hungry you. You don't you hungry. If you sound say they hungry you, you try to let some go up and down. They hungry you. For say may you be for a position. You be the envy. Man, you know that big grammar for British man. You be the envy. You want to be for a position. So you do everything possible in your power in Milan. For say may you put a papa down. May you put Pata San down. May God bless Pata San whatever I did. Pata San, we don't talk. I say me did Milan this so. Now now dirty for rice among with the clean the fine grain of rice. Pata San be talking but will not be here. Will not be here. But we don't hear now. We don't know. We don't sabi Milan. You go so far you and there are people there. That boy so you know go show enter that boy. You know go show enter that boy. If you not park where you never late to. You never let Milan. They give you chance. You get the chance. They say if you stand at a distance for do the people, or they are scoop on a scoopers and whatsoever thing Milan is dead, non-existence. We know it not go ever be recognized. Not for yourself. Even the pastor code, they can't stand for they talk say if they perform their duty well, if they do well, they show say they get good intention. Forget them pastor code, forget that thing. We not dead. You know they. The thing we can make us if not I'm say any other person for feel wake up for this kind of moment so can't form the kind group. Any if be any other person who will even look and say cover eye, look and say what the man go do. Not be you Milan of all people. Not be Milan of all people. When I check the thing, my people ambassador and them. When I check the thing of all people, not only Milan. And the very Milan, wow, let me say one day after the catch the people 1 week after that very Milan, so don't carry eyes on the person who sleep the whole year. He can't turn up the talk, it do crocodile tears. The way we hold on a meeting, IG hold meeting. First proposal I say una meet on a hit to know say since I say they don't catch and so may they replace them no. The thing it bite una. It don't bite una serious. May they replace them no. May they just move forward. Na granite they just go buy and say na granite. Una go tell we play with that papa day. Play they don't keep that papa day. Una go move and bring am for we. Whether now or later, una go bring am for we. Una go move and bring am. Now time they come on a small the cash monkey small. Now only you want to take your hand put her for inside one chance boss. Now only you want to expose yourself for us. We don't know now say true Milan. Now you say them true Milan. Now you say them. Now we applaud the coup. We don't know now. We don't confirm. Say we are done now. We do am. But what do they assure we na say? Inside Ambazonia, anything we come for, it can have got to do with Southern Cameroon. Now no get space. Space no there for scoop. Space no there for now. But someone I say all I tell somebody talks say na they go call some person say can online. Na can't fight with the Milan. Na can't fight with the scoop. Na trash. All man a warrior. All man a fighter. All man get a weapon. All man be able to push out this Milan thing. All man get the power. All man be capable of join together, push out the Milan team. Not be one person in work. Doro. Not be one person. Doro. And let me say, I give you Doro Mega. Let me say, I put you space in charge of the commission operation. Bring this scoop down. Ahana over for Doro Mega. Ahana over for Della. Even though serve you na AGC, na AGC. But we are all together. As I talk so we hand this thing all together. So for me, any man take a position, we go balance together. This scoop matter, so you know if he pass we. Who's that Milan then? Milan na who? Hit him, man, hit me to na who? On a pound, mami anyangwe na who? On a mamingang, on a who? All that small boy and get them. What don't say? Come and say small boys and get it. So all una so una don't go interact down. Things I do the don't gamine. All the nothing is so. Una the waste una time. Una the waste una time. And by the time they go crush now within the space of no time. Within the space of no time, put una for down. Una go down. Una go down. I'll be put for a position on a chair. So the earlier the better. The earlier you respect yourself, petit frère. The earlier you respect yourself, or say each time when you write, you put up your write up. If you stand up or scoop, say you want scoop your thing squarely, scoop and wear properly. Pack one side, leave the interim government aside. Not take the two compare. If you compare scoop and interim government, it means you declare yourself war. It means you declare yourself an enemy to the nation. Because the interim government is the people, is the nation. If you wake up one morning, you find your pleasure, will say you don't find yourself for scoop. You don't see and say for that better now there your own Gary go come out. Because even though your Gary when you find out what did you find? What be wrong with you? What be wrong with you? I remember when at the very you we talk say pa and now we even know that say pa nyangwe embezzle money for meeting, a chief money for meeting, country meeting, they do so they sang they do it. If you didn't know be better man for a country meeting, now for Amazon where you can be today all of a sudden another very pa and now I see the work together with the scoop where you to don't go join the scoop. Now the scoop together now your mobile she don't quiet. Your mobile she don't not quiet. You're no longer talking again about pa and we are no longer against them. Every other person where you be telling dirty for us for your eye, you don't turn better person now. All means all because of something because when I don't go join that club, fan club Milan, fan club sellers of interim government. When I sell and find, when I begin chop the money, you go hook on a so, una vomit, and I show na Milan go sell una, Milan go sell una. Na me dey talk Milan go sell una. If Milan no put una inside one chance boss, una call me doc. Una call me doc if Milan na put one chance boss. So and no, I the job beg any. I would say I the job beg any other Ambazonia where it take a time can on live online. I don't have to say activists because all man are activists. All we Ambazonia are activists. Even you say we just share na one post, you to be activists. So any Ambazonia where you know they were talk this scoop matter, scooping here and there, scooping here and there. I beg you now, mu not even talk am against self na action, na put na action down. Country operation against Scoop and Co. He go die natural death. We go kill him down, kill him. He get for die natural death. He go just wipe, forget himself. He go just wipe and go for bush. Milan don't define. Ma tell no Milano. Na langa man. Why you with Milan the bele? Why you with Milan? No be small. No be small. Milan don't say and I say this so time for they also talk about negotiation. You understand? That say Milan don't try as much as he fit for say me he hide intention, he agenda. Mo no say na he say IG. Na he say I mean interim president IP. Mo no say na he say IP. He try for Kame, he say for down, for say me hide them for the past months them. But the moment we say hear about negotiation, don't they can't upset or negotiate, probably don't talk about dialogue, negotiation. Milan don't think I say so in a so he can't lose. I say you can't lose so that big money in case he goes sell put that kind of so. Milan don't decide I say me form my own group. So that maybe say in case they want dialogue, you know, say na way, they work together with them now. So you just know say normally nana they can't phone up, they can't turn around a scope group. For say they can't negotiate. Allah, forget them, forget them, forget them. Just forget them completely. Their strategy, you know, go work. Why? Starting command, they wise so. That time not pass will be the argue carelessly. The coach will accept unnecessarily. Now you don't start again so. Now even when the one bring her up for now so because when I look at carefully, if you look at carefully, not say it is so. This two with the coach will accept every day argue coach will accept every day. One person say it don't go, it don't die because wait see majority enter inside the Amazonian them. We don't come to understand even for ground zero. I don't talk about before. They still repeat them even for ground zero. They don't understand it so they get for work together as one. Now, at the stage, the only stage of tranquility inside this struggle, the only stage for the time where they so all man don't understand it, they so all we now one. May we reason together, we rub hand together. For down there, they rub hand together. For diaspora too, also more rub hand together. Now that time when Milan don't come out with witchcraft, Milan, Now that time Milan don't come out with witchcraft, we are on Kuchiruma, they don't go cook their own things together, pass money hand to hand. We know all that in them. We know that in them. You know go work. May any man do anything at the power, at the reach, go flush that scoop out. That Milan and the scoop, una small so, una feel una get wish because they work together with the Republic. Una feel say no know. So if you say you get wish, if you say you be katika, you don't meet on a Oroto plus Apruka. Plus Uche face, all things go join inside together. Now way Amazon and the B, we ready for you. They ready for you. Where Milan? They ready for you. Walk out from place to place. We are crowd. Fool yourself. Deceive yourself. We are people them. We not get nothing for do. We not get nothing for do. La talk now. In fact, now only we serve. Now only me and you will give breathing space for these people. In the midst of them, they can't destroy the revolution. Because by the time they confront you, me to come inside your box and they say, this, so, may will try for this scoop thing. By the time you tell them, they get out. Tell them, they get out. Rebuke them. Rebuke them in Jesus' name. Cast, push them, they go away. Though she don't quiet. They don't come again. But when they bring her, you entertain her, you give them a listening ear. You didn't entertain her, and so you didn't argue. No argue again with them. No argue again with them. No even talk no nothing. Now action. Put on personal action. Action. Serious action. Where let me say even Lucifer self go she always say conquer. He go conquer. Well, see when he see una suddenly come on the past. One go treat him and this scoop. When he see una the past, he go give una cafe say no, una chop, una worry. Now so the matter get for B. May no man not crack his head again for the Milan issue and this scope thing. May no man not crack his head. They say they talk, they fight and they argue. Now action. More na put na action. Na dirty for now that small dirty so now that thing on a scoop on a scope as the job be. May any man just forget about that thing. Focus on ground zero. Any man do a contribution the way any man they contributes. Now you when you did write up that you do it's a great way of contributing. Because if someone feels that you when you feel say you give now money, now you over contribute pass. May you get right for the insult somebody where you own out for do it write up or for make a live video or for share post them. They will be very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. Because some person the way if you just come and not only write, you just write in one sentence. We're not getting money for contribute and person through it. Excuse me. Any of your friend where either for a post, one of your friend where see and where today on Facebook and Amazon, if he see and too, he be touch where get money, he be enlightened say if he contributes or say at least I feel help in one way or the other for kind of thing go forward. So any man they do his own contribution for always he contribute. That thing where someone go come online, he can give own contribution. Someone can talk now say shut up, you know they contribute nothing, keep quiet. You know fine a very bad talk that. Now very, very bad talk. People in the way that they contribute their own money. Some I don't know. Some person the way if you should know for here in name for Facebook na tabe but in real name where it is for own money it's send where it contribute for play country where it dey na Henry or na Bisong. So you nothing know who they contribute and who not they contribute. So no insult person anyhow because they contribute. So the other person not they contribute. Any man get only for contribute. And when man contribute no can make whistle. And you know me say any man not contribute. Any man contribute for my trip to Boya. But they get for protect homeland. They get for fight among the people then. They get for fight these people, they flush them out of their zone, flush them out of their territory. And I just beg now today. I beg any man where he ever express doubts when they don't catch this terrorism, this soldier of the Republic, now they can't put on Facebook. Non, she don't. Ils sont des terres French. Il nous a donné à manger. Ils n'ont pas me tapé oh. Ils n'ont pas fait ça. Il nous a donné, il m'a donné à nourriture à manger. They are buying your conscience. They buy your conscience. They make una for say muna not kill them. Muna soil them. Muna leave them. May they leave. Now lie. How no money go cash like the public soldier them? Inside on a territory, na don't cash them. Muna go put up a bush. They make video. Now they ask people. Now say, "Mo do it with these people. Mo do it with these people. And mo do it with you." Muna want do it with you. How many of them don't cash their own people? Put our Facebook. Ask na say, "May they do it." Ask their own people say, "May they do it with you." How many times they don't do and so? Now an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, one touch, one pass. Do me, I do you. You clear my foot, I clear your foot. You cut my one finger, if I get opportunity, I cut your 5 finger. Now so that operation ground zero get for happen. When I don't catch any, una successfully lay on hands on those people. No need for say una they can't show it for Facebook. They put audio on a video. I mean, like I say, maybe we do it. What una think so we do for this person? What una think so we do for this person? They not get that time. They not get that time for us. Una what they do? They get a one objective. They get a one intention. Now one thing there for their head. That way they live that their place where they don't put them for una for day. Now for kill una. Now for kill una. That is why when they burn in burn village, they don't even tell whether someone they sleep inside house or not. Now for kill una, if that particular person where they catch and so the person will figure opportunity for lay hands on una. Now the person if for kill una, it kill una. You know ask you, you know go ask you, you know go ask you anything whether you know get secondary thought, you know they think twice. Now kill you, they kill you. So if you lay hand, you successfully lay hand on him, if anyone lay hand on you, what till you do? What do you do? You can't ask people for Facebook. Say, wait, may we do wait till now they bring our show Facebook. Now that's when the one show on ourselves. Who knows when I do the work? Do the thing. I mean, all man reach that stage. All man don't man of it. Say before I reach that stage, waiting I say it dey mature. So never pass that stage where if we don't fuck up, where we don't talk door, where we don't insult people, we don't do something. But I don't know. So that time man the reason. Even if you never reason before, I beg. If you never contribute before, I beg. If you never do anything where if you carry this struggle go forward, I beg. When you woke up for morning time, as you open your phone, you see the people they be killed, the people they don't kill them, all that they don't do them. May ring bell for your head, it change your mentality. First man say, change la mentality. Change your mentality. You start thinking now towards the good of the struggle. Start to bury your confusion then. Bury your confusion now. Bury your hatred against one another. Focus towards the enemy. Our main enemy, you get for face nae. Face it and face it face it properly for the right way. So they say this is go see so you can conquer. Wait till you see her now. He never see her. No amount of killing of the Anglophone or the Amazonians, he was shaking with shaking person. No man is shake. Now Buza and Pama no run, no retreat, no surrender. The game don't start, it don't start. No man, no turning back, no day. Now way forward, ahead, now we go. Anything we stand for the road, let's say one just block anything. One of mommy on our papa on will clear and put them down. As no one here, shh, go here bam. As no one here come on, you go here catch a boom. Now go on crack, we go crack for gun. Now you go make you go tell you say shift. No man, don't even use mob again. Tell anyone say all the things say traitors, it black legs. Me no, now the beg them. Me they move. Me no man not beg them. Me no man tell again say you know fine. No, now leave them. Oh boy, when they enter for that fine boy their hand, when they enter for ground zero boys their hand, may they charm their pork me. May they show them pepe. They will use the other one, they set example for the other one then. May they ready. So any man where he get his brother, his mommy, his papa, his sister, his uncle, whosoever, any form of relative, that person don't know him. Where that person a spy, where you know. Tell them say, when they will lay their hand, when they will catch them, when they will hold them, they will regret why they happen to find their self, say they be Southern Cameroonian. They will regret the day when the mommy born them for the way. So may they take me, any man take it time. May any man take it time. Any man where they act like spies, where they go, because they give on a 100,000, how much, no amount of money they give where it worth your life. As you act for them like spy. No amount of money they give where it worth your life. No amount of money, you know, go rescue that time where they will pull your hand, where they will catch you. Just like they don't do with the other ones, they go deal with you squarely. Their family, it go suffer, they had the other person suffer. So those way they don't go report them, one of the report them, they maltreat them, they use them, they kill them anyhow. Me. You know, me, I be there at ground zero. I lay my hand on any traitor. Traitor works past the real enemy. It works past the real enemy. These black legs them, these spies them, they work past the real enemy. In a meal, if I lay hand on traitor, if I be there at ground zero, Monday, now one side foot, I go shoot down. Tuesday, the other foot. Wednesday for your lap. Thursday, the other lap. Now let's so. Now small, slow, they'll kill you, slow. When they just kill you so one time, so they didn't feel the pains. May they take the small. Set example for the others. May they see them. Oh boy, by the time they see them, trust me, they no do them. They no go try them again. They no go try them again. So if you get so you love a boy or your brother and your sister and whosoever, what person where you know, where you sure say you like that person, but you know that person as spies, advise them all. Advise them. Tell them, say this. So if that boys them, they lay hands on it, they discover ye. Say place where they go put it. What they go do it? You know go live to death. You know one them say what you know go even fit to where they will show you. Lucifer says go fear no. Lucifer says when you see my boys they hell, you go the hell na hell. Because you don't feel carry your own people. You go to say your own people. It's the people they fight now for the betterment. They fight now for fix the country for religion. Now for some particular people. Not for all man. Now for all man. So if you feel say now the money that they give you, if you say the money that they give you, now it better pass. You don't choose now the money they give you, no problem. Go take your money quiet. Begin chop your money, chop and fine. Begin chop your money, take the money, chop and fine, chop and wear. Chop your soya, drink your mimbo fine with the money they give you. Chop your soya fine, drink your mimbo wear with the money they give you. For that time, the one come way, they will catch you. Because when they catch you, no mercy. No mercy. That thing when they say they'll catch some man say, now this man is this man, and this person will don't release it. No, release no man again. No, release no man. All man when they catch you, they find you guilty, you'll go. The same way when that people they go say them for them. The one that they work for them. Then they use kill your own people, so they'll kill you too. You'll go. They will deal with you squarely. So take your time. Make your choice. No money fight you, no money beg you again, say, no work again, no be traitor. Be traitor. No money beg you. Just continue. Time don't pass, they beg, say, Mona stop for the big spies, Mona not do this. Now be the spies, be the traitors, but the day they will catch you. Be rest assured. You go regret. You go regret them. You go regret them. If you wake up for morning time, so the blood the way they see them for your neighborhood, so you know ring bell for inside your head, say no, may you stop this thing where you do. The mommy they the ones and they don't born or mommy born papa, them born people inside their house, born people that villages, born everything. It don't make sense for you. You know fighting, you know fear, you say, me I cause your worry, you say me you leave her. Don't know, say the day where they will lay hands on you too. The day where they will catch you too. We no go sorry. No man, they no go sorry you. They will send you where you belong. They will put you to for place where you belong to. And those kind of people I go share for my war. And those kind, that kind of people they want to see about traitors. That one they will go for my war. That they want to go share me police. Say this, so don't catch people like Una. Una want to not get son, not get pizza, not the reason. So many man take it time, oh. And I want to beg. Mommy them put it there for inside bush. When I go, I picking them for inside bush. Oh my God, tears don't finish for my eye. I don't feel cry. And the job beg na say me any man hold it picking tight. Hold ya picking tight for inside that bush is the one a day. Inside that forest is the one a day. Una hold una picking them tight. Una hold una picking them very well. Una take care for una picking them. Let me say that na ready season this way cold day. Na rapun no cover your skin. Mommy cover your picking. Cover your picking. They make sure so the day make the day warm. Even if it means that you move your clothes to your skin, what kind of naked just say me cover your picking, protect your picking them from the cold, from mosquito, from anything. Mommy do and cover your picking them, protect. That they be a number one priority. Protect them. Even a small chopper they can't give you yourself a beg. Share with the other people they say for the way you know say that oh mommy they're not there around. Share with the other fellow woman them. Take any other picking we say for your corner for day for the main time like your own picking. I don't talk this thing. Picking when you say picking, no missing that one mommy or papa for picking, no that one way missing that one we give belly or the one we born the picking or the picking more or you come for your belly and me your picking. No. You don't must consider yourself the mommy or for treat some person picking good the only way you don't born no sister, not be so. Any picking we see for inside that bush, any forest na picking. Anyone we see and take on their own, treat them very well, they say their own. Protect them. As you run, I beg if you see some person fall, give them a helping hand, hold them, especially picking them when you see them, hold them. Just take and listen their own until the day that picking you find a real parent, a real mommy or a real papa them. No give up on that picking them. Protect them. Take care. Show them love, I beg. Now don't leave when picking them loose. Don't leave your picking them loose anyhow. No, remove your eye for your picking that skin. Because some people in there among those same people and so that they run, so that people they run, so that they run from disaster. No, so one day when I pedophiles them, pedophile one day they go hold big mama they go hold sleep with small picking them. You fit on your eyes so you don't want to so you don't hold your picking. They don't do some bad thing for your picking. You want to so one day they are ritualists them now they can't talk to people. So one day they plenty now for outside they work and now so go for that place that display that display skin that picking away they not get mommy papa where they don't run where picking don't scatter so they go for them now so go full people that can carry and go use them for rituals. I beg. Whether they are own or not their own, when you see them, mommy, give a happy hand, hold them till the day when reach a place where that can they safe hands for and move out for that skin. If you move out, even if you move and that's so, no, don't leave and say the one of my own. Begin shout and find only their own. No, anyone will see them, hold and tighten their own. We should put the day outside the two wicked bats. The wrong kind of mom when can't pretend they say they better not day. They sleep so they say. Na but it today should not lie. At that kind of them, rapist na rapist. Even inside that situation where chop not this or chop hungry, I can't eat the look. Go look person picking at one eye. You look at bad eye. You think a different thing. Even I miss the suffer so the thing a different thing. So may any man look at picking. May any man look at the picking. May no man no laugh. No move out for your picking his skin. Na back. Na sometimes una play tabala, una play na story you want tell and tell a story. Una give them hope, give them confidence, say go better. Because by the time that pikin dey turn for your own face, they see for your own face, they always see na cry, you dey cry, mommy, you dey cry. All time you dey sad sorrow. That means it break the pikin down, it will be worse for their own situation very, very well. But if your pikin look you, so no matter how bad you dey, no matter how they hungry, you tell your pikin say, if you want to their friends say it go better, master na small thing, they say it go better, the situation go better, it go pass my pikin. Yeah, no mind these stupid people. You know they so pretend. Hold your pikin. I know some mommy they will be capable of writing them. Tell they say it go better, even though you know say if your heart say it, so it will take some time. But tell they say very soon it go better. Encourage them. Mona stay, it go better. Protect your pikin, hide them. Rain the fall. Snake the devil bush. In short, the day una too much there at this way, it means say you just will be extremely careful. Una know the kind of water they una drink. Anyhow, where the thing there, any man where it for your way, any person where it for those scam the way you get data. As you watch, if you lay hands on this video, talk to those mommy them, encourage them. Una encourage them, una show them concern. And the third turn so you see all the church people and so when I want to turn to say me I just have to like talk, I know talk her. All these pastors, men of God, all this other one and church people, I don't find place she done. The right thing, a reverend sister. They go collect 2 million francs for la Republic envelope. This Catholic sister, they on which kind of sister? They go collect church, they go collect envelope, money for envelope, they show that they glad. Then by the time when now they sample the reverends that are boss and the other day, they start they cry again. How many of them don't come up, go for this, if this bush is them, go meet all these people, they don't be displaced. With solidarity, for give them small chops, share the happy hands. How many? But everything on them will collect fat offering them for our church. How many when I don't look at some people aside anyone, it be meant now for these refugees them, for these people that be displaced, for these people that don't run, they don't burn their house, so go console, go share with them. How many when I don't do them? How many times I don't put money together and say no? May we go buy this back rice them. May we buy this soap. We buy this small thing and so. Or if we not take shame, say we not open a door for them. So they come. Well, good and fine, no problem. But my question I say, how much I don't allocate time? How much I don't put aside? Say this so now for help these people that they suffer. Nothing, nothing. The very few ones that they do, I make God time. May God bless you now. May God continue to bless you now. And may He provide more and more and more and more. Make more people they give the offering and anything whatsoever thing and the tithe. When I go continue for when I go help that people to help them. And that one day when nobody only give them as I talk so God go judge you now. God go judge you now. If church not be like example, if church not be ahead for lead, for say may they protect, shield these people them, may they provide for these people. Who else again? When they make the highest money. Now they make the highest money. How many times now don't go? How many times they think will say no? Wanna go rescue these people? Una think God they see una. Now the time this way, una get for even make small yes. We don't say some of una na wayo. Now they don't say na God calling. God no call una. But we not judge una. We just mean na say for this particular moment now, so we una do something. We una do something. Una try. Put yourself together. Go give money for these people. Go give help. Buy even a rice. Buy small thing them. Make una go dance on a wayo way. Una go give them for them. Mona even cover shame self on our own face. But you didn't saw some of them not get shame again. Now this men of God them. This one not get shame again. More talk say una the fear for open una doors them for the people them. When they don't burn their houses. They don't run away from their villages because the fear say like people can't burn una place. They don't stop when I want to not go give them for the place of the day. No. I'm not think so. They don't stop when I not go give the help for that place now. Now meet them, now go for day. They say meet the people. That time still because of a problem, they say meet the patient. I beg. For our own revolution now, we're gonna meet the people. Operation meet the people. I beg buy food, buy things, go meet the people inside the forest, give them. Even though not get place for put them on our houses. When I go even a tent, when I build them for them, inside that bush, they continue for big day. Even if pass for taking for inside on a community, inside on open a church door for them. Merde, when I go get people church, when I go lock that door for church, when I go lock door church, people they suffer inside bush. Why? They want to do now the work of God. Now, which one be work of God? If you not get pity for people that people that they suffer, that just I mean, if you not want pity for that mommy, that papa, then that picking that innocent soul they wanna see and so the innocent soul that small picking them and the old people. Make me at least make that one they touch una heart small. Una do something. Una do something for them. Una do something. Excuse me. Una try do something. No nation not the way be done better. We fight not take place. Ambassador they not just wake up or say they want fight. Now probably declare war. No be who will declare war. As a war meter will not get choice, we will fight that so. Now we will fight and so. So we will change when I thoughts them. Una do something for that day for down there. Una day for down there, una meet the people, una help them. Una provide the basic needs them. All the one that they do na money so na be elite so. Why if you say oh na so na be elite na face the pitbull na only the pitbull then so. See more song face. It the pitbull. You go carry all the money they will give. You say me song na wait peace commission. No be peace commission. Na evil commission. Now we must get do. Go carry that money or in she no even hold himself say doesn't know. May they do something for this people they suffer. May they go build some place. May they build some place. Put this people inside. Now that's all for their pocket. They enter. See the other one now. How they call you? That one be wash pan or probably a kitchen. Una mukete. See them. They say they be early them. Why you be saying that una? See Philemomia. See how they call that one. The other one too. Achu. Achidi achu. But I don't make the revolution. I don't behave stay for this for we this Saudi command. Even say we put papa self, we put power. No, you don't finish for your mob. They say any other way no one respect self, they begin to call you for your name. Now it happens so. Now don't make people don't turn their back against una. Now the work the disgrace una self anyhow say peace commission. Move, go find place she done. Take that money. What are they use on the worker up and down? They bribe people, the waste up and down. Go get 2 million. I say this money craze. This mission where they carry this 2 million. What did that mission do with that million? That 2 million. They support that mission. That to a church. If not church, they act for real, so they serve God. Support that money. Meet the people. Go meet those refugees. Them. Go meet the displaced people. Them. Do something for them. Not so no carry them. Go put inside church coffers. Say they enter church coffers. At the end of the day, go end for an individual pocket them. Not shame. We are not shame. More na conscience judge you now. Anyhow, on a duam. Long live Amazonia. We more rich boya. Whether on like or not, boya will go rich. No matter the situation, if they want care the key na key all man key anyhow, we go rich boya. I thank all una don't come online today. Wanna share this video, share the information, spread and we'll go forward. Now make sure say reach a toe. Now make sure say reach that preference. What I wait till I wait till the might look that bottle. Now make sure say me reach. God forgive me, I beg. Una forgive me. I know this for authority kind talk, so but I don't vex. That man don't provoke me. Una share and may reach for the may they get the information, may they know. And you na 2, 3, vous mes amis là comme mes voisins là-bas, que vous m'insultez que moi ici je suis devenu un anglophone malgré que je suis un francophone. Regardez, je vous donne un devoir d'aider à partager cette vidéo avec votre collègue. Qu'il regarde, il voit ça, il se comprend. Ce que ça veut dire les problèmes anglophones. Ce que ça veut dire l'affaire Amazonia. Merci à vous tous. Happy weekend. Bye. Long live Amazonia. One spirit, one love. No shaking. Who orange boya. No matter the circumstances surrounding, we need fear, we need shake, we not look face. The key will kill them. Forget that thing.